Andu 1,115 niyo mathimetwo murimu wa coronavirus kwa ihinda ria mathaa 24 mahituku. 16 ao magikirwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu uyu na kwambatiria ithabu ria arwaru guku bururi-ini nginyagia andu 262. Gatagati ka 16 aya, 9 ni kuma kaunti ya Nairobi, 5 kaunti ya Mombasa na umwe kuma kaunti ya Homa Bay.
15 of these cases who have tested positive are Kenyans and 1 is a foreigner. 12 male and 4 female. None of those has a history of travel, and none of those cases are in our quarantine centers.
Ihinda-inĩ riu namba ya aria marekereirio gucoka micii-ini thutha wa kuhona oro hamwe na aria makuite kumana na murimu uyu no yongererekete.
That we have 7 people discharged today, bringing the number of recoveries to 60. And I want to thank our healthcare workers, those who have been taking care of these people. I want to thank the doctors, the nurses, because it is through your effort that those 60 people can now join their families. But at the same time, I am also sad to say we have lost an additional 2 more patients, bringing the number of those dead to 12.
Gatagati ka arwaru othe 262, 193 maumite kaunti-ini ya Nairobi hamwe na matura maria mahutitio are Kilimani na andu 6, Pipeline andu 5, Karen, Utawala na South Sea andu 4, Kawangware andu 3, Tasia, Kitisuru, Parklands, Buruburu na Kibera andu 2. Hamwe na matura magi maria mari na murwaru omwe ni Kasarani, Gara, Madaraka, Ruda, Donholm, Eastleigh, Lavington na Hurlingham.
What we are saying in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, is that there is no place that is not affected.
Gatagati-ini ka arwaru aya, 8 ni ukuru wa miaka 14 gucoka na thi, 70 ni gatagati-ini ka ukuru wa miaka 15 na 29, 164 mari a ukuru wa gatagati-ini ka miaka 30 na 59 na 20 ari a ukuru wa miaka 60 guthie na iguru. Gukinyiria riu makiria ya andu 11,900 niyo mathimetwo murimu uyu guku bururi-ini. Oho thirikari ikihota gukinyira andu makiria ya 2,600 aria makuruhanite na arwaru a murimu uyu. Kagwe akiuga njira imwe ya kuhota kuhurana na murimu uyu ni a Kenya gutia mitaratara na mawatho maria magathikitwo ni thirikari.
To plead to all of us to take measures that we have announced seriously. Let's take what we are saying seriously, because what I do know is that if we do so, we can be a perfect example of a people living in harmony and a people who have defeated what others in the world have been unable to defeat. We can overcome, fellow Kenyans, we can overcome this disease. We can beat it, but only if we appreciate this is not a government disease. This is your disease, and this is my disease.
Thiini wa thi makiria ya andu milioni 2 niyo marikitie kugwatio murimu uyu, na baya aria makuite ari makiria ya andu 150. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa ARWARU.